Is it possible to install and use mods with Xbox Game Pass games?
Hello there, gamers. Today, we're tackling an interesting question that's on many minds. Can we install and use mods with Xbox Game Pass games? If you've been playing PC games for a while, you're probably familiar with mods, those wonderful little tweaks, additions, or total overhauls that can greatly enhance your gaming experience.
Can you mod Xbox Game Pass games?
To cut straight to the chase, yes, it is indeed possible to mod certain Xbox Game Pass games. However, it's important to note that not all games support mods, and the process may be different from what you're used to with other platforms like Steam.
What do developers and Microsoft say about modding?
Officially, modding is a bit of a gray area. Microsoft hasn't explicitly prohibited modding for Xbox Game Pass games, but they also haven't explicitly endorsed it. It's always a good idea to check the End-User License Agreement, EULA, of a particular game to make sure you're not violating any terms. Some game developers are more mod-friendly than others. They may even provide tools and guides to help you mod their games. If a developer supports modding, it's often safe to assume you can mod their game on Xbox Game Pass.
How do you mod Xbox Game Pass games?
Modding Xbox Game Pass games can be a bit tricky because the files for these games are often stored in protected folders. You'll need to adjust some settings and download some software to manage your mods. Remember to always create a backup of your original game files before modding. This way, if anything goes wrong, you can easily restore the game to its original state. So, there you have it. Modding Xbox Game Pass games is possible, but it may require some extra steps compared to other platforms. Always remember to respect the game's EULA and be cautious when downloading mods from the internet. As always, happy gaming and enjoy the world of mods.